Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install and configure DHCP server on Windows Server 2025. First of all, what is DHCP server? DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, is a client-server protocol that automatically provides an Internet Protocol IP host with its IP address and other related configuration information such as the subnet mask and default gateway. Now I am going to install DHCP on this server. Go to Server Manager. Click on Local Server. This is our local server properties. Our computer name is server1. Our domain name is stb.local. Our Ethernet 0 IP address is 172.16.0.1. Now I am going to install DHCP server. Go to Manage. Click Add Roles and Features. Click Next. Role-based or feature-based installation. Click Next. Click Next. Check on DHCP server. Click Add Features. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next again. Check on Restart the destination server automatically if required. Click Yes. Click Install. Now the DHCP server installation in progress. You will have to wait until the installation is finished. Now the DHCP installation is completed. Click on Complete. DHCP configuration. Click Next. Specify the credential to be used to authorize this DHCP server in ADDS. Our Active Directory credential is already there, stb/administrator. Click Commit. Now creating security group, done. Authorizing DHCP server, done. Click Close. Click Close again. Now our DHCP server is installed successfully. Now I am going to configure scope. Go to Tools. Select DHCP. Let's maximize console. This is our FQDN, fully qualified domain name. Means our server name and domain name is combined. It's called FQDN. Expand FQDN. Expand and select IPv4. Let's right-click on it. Select New Scope. Welcome to the New Scope wizard. Click Next. Type scope name. I am giving it name DHCP. Click Next. IP address range. Enter the start and end IP address. Start IP address range is 172.16.0.80. End IP address range is 172.16.0.160. Length is default 16. Subnet is default 255.255.0.0. Click Next. Enter your IP address or IP address exclusion range. In my case I am going to leave as default. Click Next. Lease duration. Enter the desired lease duration for the assigned IP. I am going to leave as default this option. Click Next. Yes, I want to configure this option now. Click Next. Router default gateway. Enter the default gateway IP. In my case I have put domain IP address here 172.16.0.1. Click Add. Click Next. Domain name and DNS server. Domain name is already here, stb.local. Server name, server1. Click Resolve. 172.16.0.1. IP is already there. Click Next. Type Win Server. Server1. Click Resolve. Click Add. Click Next. Activate scope. Yes, I want to activate this scope now. Click Next. Click Finish. Now our scope is configured. This is our scope options. Address pool 172.16.0.80 to 172.16.0.160. Address lease, it is showing DHCP client. Reservation. Reservation ensure that a DHCP client always assign the same IP address. Scope option, it is showing our router IP address, DNS server address, DNS domain name, wins/nbns means NetBIOS name server. Policies, admin can assign some policies in scope. I am going to client machine. Log on as admin. Right-click on Windows button. Click Run. Type ncpa.cpl. Click OK. Go to Ethernet 0 properties. Select TCP IP version 4. Click Properties. Select Obtain IP address automatically. Select DNS server address automatically. Click OK. Click Close. Let's close network connections. Click Windows. Click Type here to search. Type CMD. Click Open. Type ipconfig. Press Enter. As you can see, our IP address is 172.16.0.80. Subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. Our default gateway is 172.16.0.1. Type ipconfig /all. Press Enter. Our DHCP server IP address is 172.16.0.1. Let's close command prompt. Go to server machine. Click on Address List. Click on Refresh button. As you can see, our DHCP client machine is showing here. This means our DHCP server is configured and working fine. Let's close DHCP server. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to install DHCP server and how to configure DHCP scope on Windows Server 2025. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.